Using the blowtorch on this kind of made them fall apart a bit, and it also turned them into this silver color. They're no longer see-through. And they also chip very easily now. Just completely fell apart. They actually cooled down really fast. But the other side, even though I held the blowtorch there a while, it did not go through. Because that's something about mica. They're very good insulators, and it takes a long time for heat to pass through. The thin one, it began to pass through. First up, I'm going to be trying the thinnest piece of mica I have, which is completely see-through. I'm going to go ahead and place it into my little stand. After applying that heat, it is no longer see-through. It is completely silver. It now looks more like a piece of nickel. And it cools down really fast because it's so thin. And also applying heat to it makes it much more fragile, so now it just flakes and falls apart in your hands much easier than it would have before. Just flakes away. But if you notice, the back side doesn't have as much damage because these are very good at insulating. Now I'm going to try the same thing with a much thicker piece. Now this time I'm going to be trying one of these other pieces. This one is very thick. You can see that it's actually many layers of it. I'm going to go ahead and put that into my holder. And I'm going to hit that with a bunch of heat. Okay, here's the situation. Just like before, it turns this silverish color. And this one, because it was many layers, with heat, they actually separated. Now you can clearly see how many pieces are there. They just chip apart. And like before, the side I was applying the heat to is completely silver, but if I flip it around, this side didn't sustain much damage. This material is very good at blocking heat. That's why it's used for that kind of stuff. Thanks for watching.